Hello, welcome to my home lab. In this video, we explain how to use Visual Studio Code to do remote development. The first thing we need to do is to install Visual Studio Code. You can download it here for all operating systems, Windows, Linux and Mac. After installing Visual Studio Code, we open it and see the welcome screen. Now we go to Extensions and search for Remote Dev. We get a lot of possibilities, but in this video we choose for Remote SSH. You click on it and install. After installing the Remote SSH extension, you see it is installed. Now we click F1 and search for Remote SSH OpenSSH configuration file. Click on it. You choose the first and we get a new file. Now we do my home lab. Host name in my case is OpenMediaVault local. You can also choose your IP address. User is my name. Then we have server alive interval. We choose 60 and server alive count max. We choose 10. We close the file and save it. After installing the extensions, we can go to the bottom left icon, open the remote window. Click on it and you have two options. Connect to host or connect current window to host. Click on it, my home lab and password. Now we can open the Explorer, open folder, and we are on our server. If you see the first video, you remember we have bash scripts. Click on it and do OK. Password again. Et voilà the bash script from our first video. Click on it and you see welcome my home lab. Now we can edit the file. We save it and we go to terminal. New terminal. Now we can do an SSH to our server. Password. We now on our server. Do ls and you see the directory bash scripts. Now we go inside it. Ls again. You can see test sh our bash script. Now we run it. Et voilà, you see we have the edited file. Everything is working fine. Thank you for a look to this video and see you next time. Thank you. So, this was it for today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new content. Thank you very much.